Welcome to tutorialsinhand.com. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn about what are the various advantages of the internet. First of all, internet is today one of the most widely used resource by any individual or a group or company or anyone. World cannot move without internet in today's world. The internet has been so deep into each and every person's life that it can have a great impact if it is removed from their hand. So the internet is really important. It's time to understand what are the advantages that internet has to offer. So let's move on to understand the first advantage that internet offers. First advantage that internet offers is it helps you to access vast information. Vast information means be it in the field of education, be it in the field of anything that you want to understand from the world, like any government policy or legal information on anything. You can search for anything like meaning of spouse, and if you click on enter, it will give you the information about meaning of spouse. So you can just go on finding anything. You want to learn software engineering, so just go to find out software engineering tutorial. You will be presented with lot of informations on software engineering tutorial. You can see number of results that it has given you in this short period of time within 0.37 seconds. You can understand the amount of information that you can gather, and that too within a very short span of time. Just on a click of a button, you are able to access the resources. Or you want to know how to get admission anywhere, suppose IIT or IIM, so you can simply get the details on a click of a button. This is how it is helping you to access a vast pool of information, that too very quickly. So this is one of the major advantages that internet has given to the world. Let's move on to understand what is the second advantage. Second advantage is like online services. You want to do online banking. Suppose you have an account in HDFC Bank and you want to do some transactions. So what you can do is you can simply go to HDFC net banking page. You have to just provide your customer ID over here, and then after customer ID is entered, you will simply be asked to enter your password, or it may send you an OTP which you need to enter, and after that you will be able to access the services means available online that is provided by the HDFC banks. Like you can transfer funds, or you can check the details of the transactions that you have done on monthly basis or quarterly basis. You can open fixed deposit, recurring deposit, or you can check the transaction details from any of your credit card or debit card. You can see the offers that the bank has to offer to you, or you can also create requests for new credit card or debit card. So there are a lot of things that you can do online, and not only one bank. You can just go on to do transaction from any of the bank wherever you have got your account, like SBI, HDFC, Axis, Citibank. Not only this, you can also book tickets. If you are in India, you can simply access IRCTC website and you can simply log in to create ticket. You can simply cancel the tickets. At the same time, you can also go to book flights, click on flight tickets, and you will be presented with websites as well, like Go, Indigo, Clear Trips, Make My Trip. You can see you have got a lot of websites. You can compare the price of the flight, and whichever is providing you the cheapest flight, or maybe according to your requirement, you can easily book your ticket. Another thing is people are today connected socially on internet through social networking sites like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn for professional peoples. So you can simply enter your email ID or phone number from which you have registered, and then password, and you can easily log in and then chat with your friends. You can share your thoughts, you can share your brand or business, whatever you have, and at the same time these pages are today helping you to create your own page. If you are on social media like Facebook, you may be seeing that there are a lot of celebrities whose pages are there, and they are doing advertising over there, and there also you can earn money. if you have your own page and it has good follower base, you can easily get advertisements from very reputed organizations, and you can easily make some money from there. You can simply search from here how to make money from Instagram, Facebook or any other place, and you will be presented with the information and you can act on it to go ahead with the first step. This is how internet is helping you today. Being connected on social media, you can easily ask the well-being of your friends or family, or you can ask for any informations. Maybe if you have WhatsApp or Line, you can simply ask someone to transfer any documents like your ticket that has been booked by them to you through WhatsApp services, and you will be easily getting your tickets on WhatsApp. Or maybe you have attended any wedding and you can ask them to send those photographs through internet on WhatsApp, and you can get those photos very easily. So there are a lot of things on social media. This is one of the important advantages that internet has to offer. Like it helps you to connect with professionals. Like on LinkedIn, if you are connected, you can simply connect with any professional who is working in your dream company. You can ping them and ask for referral, or you can get the details from them, like what kind of interview is asked, or how you can prepare, or how he has prepared to give interview in that company. So you can ask his experience and so on. You can do a lot of things. And one of the most important thing is, like on Twitter or your Facebook, you can simply tag the government or authority who are taking care of certain body. If you don't like their services, or if you want any help from them and you are in a critical situation, you can simply tag them, or you can simply tweet. There are people who immediately reply you with help, and there has been lot of instances where government has immediately seen the tweets and has extended their support to the person who needed it. So this is one of the other important advantages of using social networking through internet. Then there is digital education today. In time of corona, you can see even the students who are studying in nursery are doing online classes through their home. So this is how digital education has expanded today in everyone's life. So digital educations, like you can learn sitting from your home through our website. Like you are learning over here in basic terminologies. You are now accessing the topic internet, its advantages and disadvantages. So this is how you can access lot of information. There are lot of other websites where you can get the details on any other subjects, like Pluralsight or Udemy, Unacademy. There are lot of informations. There are lot of digital education company who are providing you the resources that you want, and you can simply log into their website. You can subscribe for the services based on your requirement, and you can easily learn from anywhere without any interruption. Now the other advantage is online entertainment. So online entertainment is provided on YouTube. Suppose you are on YouTube and you can browse lot of informations, like new releases, new songs that has been released, or some comedy, or some songs, musics, or maybe movies or anything. You can just keep on accessing anything from here, and it will show you lot of videos or informations that can help you entertain and pass time. So this is how you can access use internet for online entertainments. There are other channels like Hotstar where you can watch cricket. There are channels like Netflix, and there are a lot of places where you can watch movies or the web series of your choice without any problem once you have subscribed for their services. And at the end, these are not only the end of the advantages. Internet is a very vast thing. There is lot of other advantages that internet has to offer. Suppose in the field of surgery, in the field of medicine, in the field of research, robotics. So this is how internet is helping you in today's world. Thank you for being with us till the end of the video, and at the same time would request you to please like and subscribe our channel